Why I never use a debit card, part 6. Now, for those of you who've been following me for a while, you know I spent my 40th birthday at the 5 Diamond LeBlanc Resort in Cabo. Now, what you don't know about that trip is that while we were there, we went ahead and bought the VIP membership to be able to access all of their sister resorts across the world. So this summer, we went ahead and used that membership to take our entire family to Cancun, where we stayed at the Grand at Moon Palace. While we were there this time, we were able to go ahead and test out their Diamond level membership. We were so blown away with the Diamond membership experience, we decided to upgrade our VIP membership to that Diamond status. Now, the upgraded Diamond status cost an additional $205,000 on top of the $20,000 we had already spent for VIP membership. Now, of course, we're not going to go ahead and cut a check for $205,000, but what we did do was finance it for 10 years at 0% interest based on our credit. The down payment for this membership cost $30,000. Now, because the credit card that I used to pay this $30,000 gives us 3 times points for hotel expenditures, we earned just over 90,000 points on this one particular purchase, which we can then value because of the level of this particular credit card at 50% more than that, which if my math is right would be about 135,000 points. Not bad. Now, here's where things get super interesting. Now, because I don't like to have